In today's video, I'll show you how to sync your calendars with Granola AI. Granola connects with your Google or Microsoft Outlook calendar, so it can notify you about upcoming meetings and also create better meeting notes using the event details and attendees. By default, your primary Google or Microsoft calendar is already synced, but you can always add more calendars inside the settings. So first, open your Granola app. Then go to the bottom left corner and click on your workspace name. From there, click on Settings. Once you're inside Settings, select Calendar from the sidebar. Here, you'll see all the available calendars connected to your account. You can simply toggle on or off the calendars you want to appear in Granola. You can also configure how your meetings show up in the Coming Up section. Now, if you have events from another Google account, you'll need to share that calendar with the Google or Microsoft account you're using to log into Granola. For Google Calendar, here's how to do it. Open Google Calendar in your browser. On the left side, find the calendar you want to share and click the three dots next to it. Then click Settings and Sharing. Scroll down until you see Add People or Groups. Click that, then enter the email address you use for Granola AI. Under Permissions, make sure you select See All Event Details and then click Send. Once that's done, the shared calendar can now be accessed and toggled on inside Granola. And that's it. That's how you sync your calendars with Granola AI. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.